Hi everybody! In this tutorial we will learn how to get the student license for free of the newest version Autocad 2027, so you can use the program for 1 year with the possibility to renew the license. So let's see this step by step in this video. The easiest way to access the Autodesk website to get a student license is using this link, which you can find in the description of this video. Now scroll down to find Autocad and click on Select. In the next page, you have to choose your subscription plan if you are a student, an educator, or an administrator at a qualified educational institution. This includes most accredited universities and colleges worldwide. So let's go for student, and here continue. In the first part, I have to insert my email address, and here again to confirm it. I need to agree with the Autodesk privacy statement and continue. Then I have to sign in with my account or create one if I don't have an Autodesk account yet. Then the password and sign in. So the customer details are done. Next, you have to add your school information, first the address, and then the name of the institution, and if your school has an agreement with Autodesk, you should find your school there. Click on it, type the school website, and finally you should also see a blank for enter your graduation date. Tick this box and continue. And now I have to confirm the eligibility using my institution credentials. And this step is mandatory for getting the license. Once you log in, you will get to this screen where you should upload a document from your institution with your full legal name, the name of your school, and a date within the current school term. Finally, click on Submit. After, you should get a confirmation mail in your email inbox saying you have got your education access. Usually, it's at the moment, but it can take a maximum of 48 hours to receive it. Finally, you can click on Get Products and you will be directed to the website in the same place where you've been before. Then select Autocad, then Access Products. In the first option, I'm going to choose the 2027 version and then install. Accept. And now you can download the installation file in your computer. When the download is complete, save the file in your computer and run the installation file. Choose where you want to install it. Now wait. Then restart your computer as it's the recommended option. And finally, you have installed Autocad 2027 with the education license. And after 1 year, you have to renew your license as a notification will show up in Autocad. Now, if you'd like to practice this workflow in more complete examples, I have a complete course in AutoCAD as well as another one in Revit in the platform Udemy. If you join it, you'll get free access forever. There are no distraction ads, you can find DWG and PDF files in some lectures, and I also included full exercises at the end of the course to practice your skills. So, if you are interested, please find the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next time.